Another HQ radio that's been resurrected. This one came in fairly rusty and pretty average looking. It's been cleaned up. LED backlighting, repainted needle, 4-channel 60-watt amplifier, and of course Bluetooth. I do the cases in a flat, sorry, not flat black, a satin black, because it covers a lot of evils and it looks pretty smart when it's done. Turn him on.
Power on.
With the little blue indicator in there. Working volume control on the radio, tone control. So, something that certainly didn't have in 1972 was Bluetooth, but this one has now, and a 4-channel 60-watt amp, so some decent power to pump some speakers and make some good tunes.